committee wants to emphasize the fact that the Dalai Lama, in his struggle for the liberation of Tibet, has consistently opposed the use of violence. He has instead advocated peaceful solutions based on tolerance and mutual respect in order to preserve the historical and cultural heritage of the state. To say that His Holiness the Dalai Lama has preserved the legacy of the great exponent of Ahimsa, Mahatma Buddha, and the great Mahatma Gandhi.
And I am happy to say that we are very fortunate that this day comes each year, and our department tries to organize it in as effective a manner as possible. The idea of the International Himalayan Festival, sir, as you had suggested, was to get all the Himalayan region countries together at Dharamsala on the 10th and the 11th. We have been trying to do that. Even for this festival today, I am happy to inform you that there are cultural groupings which have come from Mongolia, from Bhutan and Tajik Kazakhstan, which will be participating in the activities that are going to take place for these 2 days.
इस दौरान में और सबसे जीवन के भाई बहन है आज हिमाचल में रहते हैं, भारत में रहते हैं, आज अपने भारत में भी रहते हैं। हम आपको कोई विदेशी नहीं मानते, हम आपको सब में अपना ही अनुभव और आपकी रहबूरी, आपकी पिताजी, आपकी समृद्धि और आपको इसके लिए जो भी हम मदद कर सकते हैं, सहायता कर सकते हैं, सेवा कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए हमें